All right, we're going to introduce our horses again. What's the name of your horse? Nicodemus. And your horse's name is?
Wonder Dash.
Wonder what? Who?
Wonder Dash.
Wonder Dash. And Destroyer. We've got Nicholas Banus, Wonder Dash, and Destroyer.
Cheater! It's cheating!
All right, we're going to put them in. Hold on, we're going to settle them down. We don't like to call anybody anything that we don't need to call anybody anything. And here we are then, with this 17th running of the Assembly Park Downs. Beautiful day today, track is dry. Are you ready? Okay. On your mark. Get set. Go! And they're off, and they're out of the gates, and they're coming on strong. And we've got Nicholas Banus, and we've got Wonder Dash, and we've got Destroyer. And we've got Wonder Dash and Destroyer and Nicholas Banus. And we're coming around the second bend, and they're really putting on the steam now. And we've got, once again, we've got Wonder Dash going a little bit crazy there. We got to try to get that horse under control. We got the Destroyer and Nicholas Banus. Nicholas Banus, Destroyer, and Wonder Dash. Wonder Dash is still going a little crazy, and we're coming around the second turn.
I lost my feet!
His feet are out of the stirrups on the Destroyer. And whoa, you got to straighten it out, dude, because you're going to hit the other horses. All right, you got to go straight, and we're going to go fast, and we're going. You stop! Nick Banus just stopped in the middle of the track. We've never even seen this happen before. We've got Nick Banus stopped, we've got Destroyer, and we've got Wonder Dash going crazy, and we're coming up to the finish line, and it's Destroyer!
Yay!